Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So a couple days ago I posted a review on the Beetles matte top coat, which I was a little disappointed in because I had such great results with their base and top. When I did their matte top coat, it was not really matte. It still reflected a little bit of light, kind of looked like a dull oily shine, or I don't know, maybe like what a not so great matte top coat looks after 2 weeks of wear, that the matte kind of just goes away. So I posted it and I got an overwhelming amount of feedback from people that use the Beetles matte top coat and were really surprised at the result that I got, because their matte top coat was super matte, like as matte as the Wildflowers one that I compared it to. So I obviously can't leave things the way that they are. I went ahead and ordered another set, got it right here, Beetles matte. I'm gonna be trying it again. It is very possible, because I did buy my kit months ago, it's super possible that, number one, they either changed the formula, and I did notice that this matte top coat is in like a matte bottle, where the other one that I had was kind of like in their normal shiny black bottle. And because I did get it months ago, it's also possible that maybe it got contaminated, it was old, who knows? Lots of things can happen in between. So let's not waste any more time. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, compare again my Wildflowers matte, the Beetles top coat that I already did, and this matte top coat to see whether or not we hopefully get a different result. So let's check it out. All right, so here I have a freshly polished black nail tip. That's what we're gonna test out. Here is the original matte Beetles top coat that I tested out. That is a little bit matte, but I consider not really matte. You could still see the shine reflecting off of it. Kinda looks like a oily, dull shine. When we compare it to the matte top coat that I use, I can really tell the difference. It definitely looks like a oily kind of dull matte, I guess. But you can see there, and this is all the exact same color. This is just the color. This one is Wildflowers. This one is the Beetles matte coat. So I had tons of comments that there's just no way, because the Beetles matte coat is better than that. So considering that I did get this with my Beetles gel kit that I bought months ago, it is possible that something went bad with it. So I went ahead, immediately bought a new one. Notice that the bottle's a little bit different. It's actually a matte bottle versus the glossy bottle. Get this little mix up. I am so curious to see if this is gonna be more matte than what I initially tried. So let's check it out. Okay, definitely looks thicker. Oh, very nice. So smooth. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and cure this. Okay, time is up. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that difference. You see this one reflects light. This one's not reflecting any light. Oh my goodness. Beetles matte, you have come through. I'm so glad everyone gave comments. I was very surprised when I saw that. Oh yeah, look at that. Just as velvety, just as matte. Oh yeah, it feels the same. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry, Beetles, for the initial review, but thank goodness we have so many amazing users out there of the Beetles brand that made me aware something was wrong here. Huge difference. Look at that, that is awesome. Yay. Oh my gosh, so can I say what a relief. I am so happy to see that you guys were totally right. This matte top coat was literally as matte as my Wildflowers, and the Wildflowers matte top coat is like 20 bucks. With shipping and everything, you might pay a little bit more than $20. I paid $8.99 for a base, a top, and a matte top, and it looks really good. But we can't just stop there. Now that I see that the Beetles matte top coat is really nice and matte, I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna get a couple clients wearing it, and we're going to see whether or not it stays that matte throughout the manicure compared to the Wildflowers, which is what I use in the shop, and also whether or not there's any lifting, cracking, or any other issues that might, be introduced while you're wearing it. So definitely stay tuned. We're gonna have another Beetles mat review coming out that's really gonna show you how good the wear is after a couple weeks. So thank you so much for everybody for commenting. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. The Beetles matte top coat is super on point. Let's put it to the test and see how it wears, and that's gonna be coming out in the next few weeks. And that's it. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.